What's up, everybody? OG here. I work Saturdays, Sundays, and Mondays at my main job, and it has been a long day today. So I came home and unwound a little bit, and I did this quick little painting. It's just me playing around. It's called Scarlet, and it is kind of one of those portraits I do. And I remember my art teacher in college. He would call these wanted posters because it's just like a face straight on, like it's in a wanted poster. And I kind of like them. I do 3/4 portraits too, but I do a lot of these things, and I really love doing them with the symmetry brush because I can do all kinds of weird things with it. But I hope you guys like it. This one's called Scarlet. I will be up on DeviantArt. I appreciate you guys coming by and checking it out. Let me get this up here. There, things might look a little bit more familiar to you here. If I can get this mounted right. There we go. Oh. Alright. So like I said, now things may look a little bit more familiar to you. Again, it's just me playing around, trying to keep you guys entertained, showing you some of the art I'm doing. I do a lot of these, and I don't film them all, but I just felt like filming this one today. Hope you like it, and until the next video, OG out.